Hey everybody, James Duran here, and if I look familiar, it could be because I've been the managing partner of Creative Elements since 2012. But what you may not know is that in April of 22, we acquired Amoura Productions, and so I became the managing partner just over 3 years ago now. Since acquiring Amoura Productions, we have strengthened our team and actually retained a lot of the talent that was here before, and we've grown our market in Omaha, Lincoln, and Kansas City. One of the biggest changes, though, at Amoura Productions is technology. From FPV drones to doing 3D tours through Zillow and Matterport, and making ordering even easier through our own app. We are still the most experienced and most affordable photographer in Omaha, Lincoln, and Kansas City, with doing over 4,000 shoots last year. Many of you have used Amoura Productions for years, and some of you just since we took over in 2022. Regardless, I want to say thank you for the business. And if you haven't used us in a while, I welcome you to check us out again. See the improvements we've made with technology and ease of ordering.